Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's map the role of artificial intelligence and its influence on the call-to-close ratio in a contact center. Let's explore how AI reshapes the way we drive conversions in a contact center. One of the most powerful levers is AI-driven lead scoring and prioritization. AI analyzes rich data, like purchase likelihood, credit behavior, churn risk, and past interactions, to rank leads intelligently. What does that mean in practice? Agents no longer waste time chasing low-probability prospects. Instead, they can zero in on the hottest, most promising leads right from the start. The impact is crystal clear: more calls convert, and we achieve a higher close ratio with the same or even fewer dials. This isn't just operational efficiency, it's strategic precision powered by AI. Now, let's look at real-time agent assist, one of the most impactful ways AI boosts call-to-close performance. AI actively listens to live conversations, instantly providing agents with suggested responses, rebuttals, and relevant product information. It detects customer intent and objections in real time, giving agents the right words at the right moment. The result? Agents handle resistance more confidently, overcome objections faster, and close more deals, turning conversations into conversions. Let's talk about something that can make or break a customer conversation: emotional alignment. Every customer call isn't just about what's being said, it's also about how it's being said. That's where sentiment and emotion analysis powered by AI comes in. The system actively listens to the tone, detects stress or hesitation, and picks up emotional cues in real time. And here's the game changer: it doesn't just sit on that data. It guides the agent in the moment, prompting them to soften their tone, show more empathy, or, when the time is right, confidently push for the close. When agents align with a customer's emotional state, something powerful happens. Trust builds faster. Resistance drops. And conversions go up. This is the difference between simply handling a call and truly connecting with a customer. That's the power of sentiment and emotion analysis. Now, let's shift focus to one of the smartest ways AI is transforming sales conversations: dynamic script optimization. Traditional scripts are static. Every customer gets the same pitch, the same tone, the same sequence of steps. But the reality is, customers are not all the same. With AI-driven dynamic scripting, your script isn't just a document, it's an adaptive conversation engine. AI reads the customer's profile, real-time behavior, and interaction cues. Then, it tailors the flow, adjusts the tone, and picks the right pitch at the right time. It even runs A/B tests in the background, learning which words, offers, or sequences close more deals. Over time, your script doesn't just work harder, it gets smarter. And here's the impact. Personalized messaging keeps customers engaged. Agents sound natural and confident, not robotic. Conversion ratios strengthen, call after call. This isn't about replacing the agent. It's about empowering the agent with the right words at the right moment to win more deals. Let's talk about one of the most powerful levers to boost conversion efficiency: predictive dialing and smart routing. In traditional outbound campaigns, dialing is often random or time-blocked, hoping to catch customers when they're available. But AI takes this to a whole new level. With AI-powered predictive dialing, calls are placed at the right moment when customers are more likely to answer. For example, right after payday or during high response time windows. This means fewer wasted dials and more meaningful conversations. Then comes smart routing. Instead of sending every call to any available agent, AI intelligently matches the customer to the best fit agent, someone with the right skills, tone, or language to handle that specific segment effectively. The result? Higher connection quality, smoother conversations, and a direct lift in closure rates. This isn't just about making more calls, it's about making the right calls with the right people at the right time. Let's look at a powerful conversion booster: offer personalization. In traditional sales, everyone often gets the same offer, the same bundle, the same pitch. But in reality, every customer's situation is different. And AI understands that. With AI-driven personalization, the system analyzes the customer's profile, purchase history, and real-time signals to match them with the most relevant offer. This could be a special bundle, a flexible payment plan, or a loyalty incentive that aligns perfectly with their needs. For example, if a customer is at high risk of churn, the system can instantly trigger a personalized retention offer, like a discounted loyalty package, right during the live conversation. Here's the outcome. Customers feel seen and understood. Resistance goes down. And the chance of closing the deal goes up dramatically. Remember, the right offer at the right moment isn't just good sales strategy, it's smart, AI-powered engagement. Here's a conversion lever that often gets overlooked: automated post-call follow-up. Think about it. Not every customer will say yes on the first call. But a near miss isn't a lost opportunity, it's just unfinished business. With AI-powered follow-up automation, the system steps in the moment the call ends. It can instantly trigger personalized emails, SMS, or WhatsApp messages with reminders, offers, or easy checkout and payment links. This means your team doesn't need to manually chase every lead, and customers can convert at their own pace with just one tap. The impact is clear. You re-engage warm leads while they're still interested. You recover deals that might have slipped away. And your overall conversion ratio goes up without extra dialing effort. Remember, the fortune is often in the follow-up. AI just makes that follow-up faster, smarter, and more effective. Let's explore one of the most powerful drivers of long-term sales growth: performance analytics and coaching. In every team, top performers do something different. They ask smarter questions, handle objections smoothly, and build trust faster. The challenge has always been capturing those winning behaviors and scaling them across the floor. That's exactly what AI makes possible. By analyzing call recordings and conversational patterns, AI identifies what top closers do consistently: their tone, timing, language, and structure. Then, instead of generic coaching, it delivers targeted microlearning modules to agents who need support in those specific areas. No more one-size-fits-all training. Every agent gets personalized coaching that builds real skills fast. And the impact is powerful. Weaker performers level up. Best practices spread across the team. And close ratios rise consistently over time. This is how AI turns performance data into performance growth. Let's talk about something every sales leader cares about: predictability and profitability. In traditional campaigns, a lot of dialing strategy comes down to educated guesses: which offer might work, what time to call, or how many agents to schedule. But with AI-driven forecasting and campaign optimization, that guesswork disappears. AI looks at historical performance, customer behavior patterns, and external factors to predict which campaigns, offers, and time windows will deliver the highest conversion rates. But it doesn't stop there. It also guides capacity planning, telling you how many agents to staff, when to dial, and how to allocate effort across segments for maximum ROI. The result is a campaign strategy that's not just active, it's intelligent. More profitable campaigns, better use of resources, and most importantly, predictable, scalable results. This is how AI shifts your campaigns from reactive to strategic to unstoppable. Let's bring it all together with a big picture view of how AI is reshaping sales performance. Every successful close begins with strong inputs, and AI makes those inputs smarter. Through intelligent lead scoring, predictive dialing, and best fit routing, we make sure every call starts with the right opportunity at the right moment. Next, AI elevates agent performance in real time, offering live assistance, reading customer sentiment, and optimizing scripts dynamically. Agents no longer just follow a playbook, they play to win. Then comes personalization. AI tailors offers, recommends the right bundles, and even triggers post-call nudges, turning near misses into conversions. And finally, AI sustains performance over time through deep analytics, targeted coaching, and predictive forecasting that keeps campaigns efficient and profitable. The net effect: higher call-to-close ratios, lower cost per acquisition, stronger agent productivity, and an elevated customer experience that builds trust and loyalty. This is more than just automation, it's intelligent acceleration. It's AI turning conversations into consistent conversions. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.